Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica on today's video. I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus bag. So they decided to try out this month. I did get an email saying that they were going to be trying out a mailer rather than a box this month for Ipsy Plus. And I'm supposed to be getting a survey to ask my opinion on how it worked out. But that is what it looks like inside. You can't see too much just yet, but we're going to get into it in just a second. Before we do, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button if you enjoy this video while watching. Hit the subscribe button if you like unboxings or beauty related topics. I do talk about all sorts of different things, do all sorts of different videos. I'm in the middle of doing a declutter series right now, so if you don't like declutters, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to let you know that I'm when I upload those videos. And if you have any comments while you're watching, put those in the comment section down below. One more thing before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. So let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy bag. I'm going to pull the card out first. Let's go ahead and see what this says. So this says, celebrate you. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th Glam bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open up your 6 Glam Bag Plus picks valued at $120+ and cue the confetti. It's time to have some fun. Hashtag Ipsy celebrate you. So it does have all the products listed on the inside of the card. I am going to pull out first the bag because I saw this online and I think it is absolutely beautiful, like really beautiful. If you saw my original Ipsy unboxing, I thought that maybe I would use this as like my little purse for my sister's wedding day. My sister's getting married in October and her colors are teal and purple, and I was like, oh well, this might be absolutely perfect for like a little clutch to carry, like maybe my lipstick or something like that on her wedding day, because I'm going to be her matron of honor in her wedding. And I do really like this bag. However, I like this bag more. So this bag actually is teal, and if you can tell, I don't know if the lighting is going to show you, it is a very pale purple or a very pale pink. Originally I thought it was like a peach tone, but now that I actually have it in my hands, it is actually a pale purple, which is amazing. That's kind of like, that's my sister's wedding colors, right? Now the inside is the fluorescent yellow. It actually says unstoppable on it, and it's just a really little tiny clutch. But seriously, to have it end up being teal and purple. Now I don't know what color purple she's going for. I know my dress is teal. And I know she was going to do purple too, but I don't know if she's doing like a deep purple or a light purple. I'm going to have to ask her. So I'm probably going to end up using one of these two as like my little clutch on her wedding day. So I'm leaning towards this one though. I really like the way that this one looks. Like this one definitely is something you have to like hold on to though. So I don't know. I'm really liking the bag. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm really liking the bag. So I'm going to put that aside with my other bag. And I'm going to go ahead and pull a makeup item out first because I'm going to go ahead and try it on. And this is actually the item that I selected. So this is from the Balm. It's the Auto Balm Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. That is what it looks like. It's a little tin, which is kind of cool. And it does have 4 products in here. It has what looks to me like 4 blushes and a highlighter, or you could even probably use one of them for my skin tone as a contour. Like this shade right here, it's looking like it's showing up on screen, maybe not quite as warm as it does in real life. But like these two are definitely blushes for me. I could probably use this as a bronzer and this one as a highlighter, although that is a little bit deep for a highlighter for me. So the only thing I'm going to use today, I actually already have my bronzer and highlighter on. I'm going to go ahead and put on the blushes. I'm going to dip into both. Let me read to you from the card, however, first, because sometimes I forget to do that. So this is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Powder. What's better than one gorgeous powder blush? A palette with 4. Mix and match the peachy pink, which is this one right here, the peachy brown, which is this one right here, and the deep rose matte shades, which is the deep rose, for a soft glow. Or amp things up with the rose gold shade, which is over here. It doubles as a shimmery blush, highlighter, and even an eyeshadow too. Tip, once you've used up the blushes, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it to keep little accessories like hair ties and bobby pins neat and organized. All right, I'm going to go ahead and swatch Bleaker, which is the brown shade, and Fifth, which is the rose gold shade, to show you guys what those look like. Okay. I'm having a little trouble with the Fifth shade, the highlighting shade. It's just not super pigmented. So I'm glad I didn't use that as a bronzer because that would have been way too warm for me. And that highlighter shade, I think it would work well as a highlighter for me. I don't know if you have a deeper skin tone, if that would work well, because it is having a little bit of a problem, like deepening up a little bit. So you might have a little bit of a problem if you are a deeper skin tone than me using that as a highlighter, but I think it would work just fine for me. All right, I'm going to dip into Houston and Bourbon. Well, it's Houston Street and Bourbon Street. It actually says street on it. So Houston and Bourbon, I'm going to dip into both with my brush here and see how it turns out. Like I said, I already have my bronzer and my highlighter on. I normally put my highlighter on after my blush, but I've seen other people put their blushes on last. This is a little bit powdery though, I'm not gonna lie. I like the Balm eyeshadows, so I'm really loving actually some eyeshadows that I have from the Balm, so which I've gotten in Ipsy bags. All right, I think that's pretty. I don't know how well that's showing up on screen. Sometimes the lighting in here, because I have like studio lighting, it does get a little bit odd, and then I end up putting way too much blush on, but that's okay. As Emily Noel has said before, who doesn't need a little bit more blush? Anyway, that is the item that I picked, and I'm really happy about it. I'm really pleased with it. I have pretty much liked almost every single Balm product that I have tried. I might have to buy more of their products because I have liked almost every single. I can't think of a single Balm product that I haven't liked. Like, I've liked every one of them. Anyway, I haven't tried all of them, to be fair, but I have liked every one that I've tried. All right, I'm going to pull this out right here. This is Malin and Goats. Yes, Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. It's literally like a white package with a bunch of blue writing on it. And all that is the ingredients. So let's get the product out and see what it looks like. All right, so it is a white package with blue writing all over it, just like the box. I don't think I should be surprised, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not really surprised, but... All right, so I'm not going to squeeze any out or anything. This is the Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it love with this multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. Tip: stash this gel in the fridge. The extra chill works wonders when it comes to soothing and depuffing. I have seen a lot of people have like skincare fridges. That is one thing that I have not been able to convince myself that I need. So, an eye gel. I don't mind getting an eye gel. I actually think it's probably good to get an eye gel. All right, let's pull this out next because I actually have, I don't know if it's this brand, but I actually have a coffee scrub in my shower right now. And it literally is called the Coffee Scrub. So it's the Coffee Scrub Coconut Body Scrub. Alrighty then. Turns out coffee isn't just for your morning zing. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great at repairing and protecting your skin too. This coffee-infused scrub buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E, so your skin will feel smooth, not stripped. Tip: dampen your skin in the shower, then work this scrub over your body in circular motions, paying extra attention to rough areas like knees and elbows. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse away. There you go. All right. Next item in the box or bag. Box. Let's pull this one out next. So this is the Luna Liner from Seraphine Botanicals Water Resistant Liquid Liner. I'm curious on if this is a brush or a felt tip liner. It doesn't look like it says if it's a brush or a felt tip. There's the packaging. Either way, I'm not going to open it right now. I will look it up online later to see whether it says it's a brush or a felt tip. I personally prefer brush tip applicators for liquid liners, but I have far too many liquid liners open right now, so I'm not going to open this at the moment. I am concerned though. I think it is probably a felt tip liner. If I look it up online and find out that it is a felt tip liner, this will go in my giveaway drawer because it's just not my preferred liner, if that makes sense. So this is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. Cat eye goals coming right up. This liner has a micro tip that dispenses the perfect amount of jet black pigment so you can get the perfect flick every single time. Plus, the fade-proof, water-resistant formula stays put on your lid for hours. Tip: want to draw thin, fine lines? Apply this liner with light pressure. Into thicker, bolder lines, just use heavier pressure. All right. Next up, let's pull this out here. It is a liquid lipstick from Phase Zero. Excuse me. Oh, that's a pretty color. So this is the Phase Zero Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Undercover. I already have a lip gloss on, so I'm not actually going to put this on, but I will swatch it on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. It's a pretty color. Oh, it smells like vanilla cupcakes. I can't say for certain that I've actually used this formula before. In fact, I'm pretty sure I didn't. So that is the Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. Matte lipstick isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so make this trendy liquid lipstick a staple in your spring makeup wardrobe. The mauve rose shade is gorgeous on every skin tone, and the non-drying matte texture lasts for hours without fading, smearing, or feathering. Tip: matte textures and dry lips just don't mix, so be sure to use a moisturizing balm before swiping on this liquid lipstick if your lips are feeling flaky or chapped. All right. It smells delicious. I like it. I think it's a pretty shade. All right, let's go ahead and get the last item out right now, which I'm actually really excited to get in my Ipsy Plus bag. So this is from Maelle, M-A-E-L-L-E. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I might not be. It's the Like a Pro Essential Brush Kit. It says the condition is new. I don't know if they sell used brushes. I don't know. But it comes in a little pouch right here. And you open it up with Velcro. And there you go. That is what it looks like from the inside. It's all covered in plastic right now. Let's go ahead and pull one of these out and see what it feels like. Okay, it doesn't feel terrible. It actually feels okay on my skin. I don't know how it'll feel on my eyes, but all right. So I do love brushes. Sometimes they don't always agree with me, but I love them. All right, so this is the Maelle Beauty Essential Brush Kit. Building your brush collection from scratch, this pro quality kit with 5 essential brushes is the ideal place to start. P.S. The case doubles as an organizer. What you'll get: a brow and lash brush, right there, 2 eyeshadow brushes, an angled cheek brush, and a fluffy powder brush. Yes, please. Tip: to increase the longevity of your brushes, gently wash them upside down with warm water and brush shampoo once a week. Always let them flat to dry. Lay them flat to dry. I do actually have a brush holder so that they are actually upside down when they dry, so that they will not have any of the water stay in the ferrule. So I'm actually liking this one actually a lot. This looks like it's going to be a nice all over lid brush. That actually looks pretty nice, and it's not got a bad weight to it. So that is my Ipsy Plus bag. Anyway, I got a brush set, 5 brushes. I got the liquid lipstick, which has absolutely dried matte on my finger or on my hand. Now I am smearing it, but it dried matte. The liner, the eye gel, and the blush powder, whatever, the Cheeks on the Go palette. Overall, I'm actually, oh, and the coffee scrub. I almost forgot the coffee scrub. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with this. I like the shade of the lipstick. I like the powder, the blush that I have on. The coffee scrub, will use it. The eye gel, I'm happy to get. The brushes, I'm happy to get. Overall, I just really enjoy this box bag. Anyway, and I love the bag. It's got a pale purple and a teal color. It matches my sister's wedding like entirely. Seriously. Anyway, I haven't gotten shoes yet for the wedding. It's not until October, so I have some time. My dress hasn't come in yet either, but I did just order at the beginning of the month. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button, as well as the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate hearing from you all. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!